Sumahene akasa. Sumahene say, and I'm say the minister of Bono enya the burden of Asantehene nti na okasa. Obi dis asema Sumahene. Krobi wo Dormaahene wo efro Sumahene kro. Ohena from otoso
na enti ohena from wo se hwan ase Sumahene no. Ona akasa kro no odi Sumahene. Odinam kro mu a oye plan so fe no ohene. Saa ohene kro no. On pie no tuka amfa ne kro mu. On nanti kro mu sa sumu wo se enfa won. Na onhu say does he qualified to be called a chief? Say Asantehene beriba ye kan nyina no. Zaja so ha enye ono Asantehene ena obi titia ifa ahudi so. Ena ono ye overlord no. Onye hwe han. Regional minister yasema okay. Ompanyi Mahama as it stands now on the leader in terms of administrative and political purpose. No Asantehene mu de omo ye traditional leaders. Omo ena nsasene ne panel who belongs to them. Or a overlord of Sampa, which Sampa is included.
Okay. Impanyina tinase na motie. Ena ye hwe ohema tumi, ohema dwumadi odi ewo ahemfie anase eba ahensie ma. Tumi be ne kura ahemafo anase ahema na ye bu nkompa ko hwe Mampong, Sante Mampong. Emra ye si hene no. Ohema dwumadi odi ye no. Ekopie mention so ohema anya funso bia. And I heard the hidden role of queens in Asante Kingdom. Oh, he can say swakasa, Santamera, or Pemso, or danso, Bodomewo, Wakasa, was say, Bono, regional minister Jumadibi, or didn't crater or church or concrano, Ngusiaga. If on Santene say, regional house of chiefs, say, Yankofa, him, Marane, or Hene, Quano, him, Medinachino, and yet custom, and yet Namane. Into nyadi obesom sanko mayebedi opanyine mechia o therefore
Mejo so Mr. Charles
opanyine we dey mecho kache me hu ye afisha paso so
mabedi afin komiti mabedi Ghana kakra we bosomi ni akiri ni ntini eja ebedi pa kakra nso ha
enokre we dey quick one me ba wona ase na boni bie ni me hwe ahema ya ba panyinifo no omuda so tiade so tumi da so kra wo mu bibi abo mu chidoma na itimomunya akukudro ekura krobi anase edi krobi so ye hwa ahemafo hidden role ye na onimifa ahemafo ho na obetumi de Mampong ahensie ho nsem krampo so aye case study amaya enka minim se etiefo ne bejepa
yo Zajas Michia obi mo atiefo a be bibiara audio ibeka kudu Iza hima se mo se menu aye program we pen Iza me catch there say ye can mamu die Asante to be precise almost all the accounts but yen can Asante die na ye honey free honey tumi ni nyina akura ma no tumi kase no ayema o ma ne ho Isa say yidi na die so ati ase enti no by extension no your friend of us here what it means ni say unya ba eba na ye wo fase enti ade bia wo fi a e wo ma ne ho ndi wo ma ne ho dia o de mane ba be ma there's a wo fase e ho na akodi enti sanity e ho na yen amfoni hu ni say abodi mfiti ase nyina e ho ni free because productivity beba free ma ho ye mema no ye na yikura the spirit and the man kura production and no enti no sanity ni tumi ni wo ma no na wo kan bibi fa Mampong die hu nse Mampong die ni kura ye clear instance a bit imagine so die di nkomo on say kokoba ye no Mampong the criminal has been vindicated say ono na tumi ni wo ne ho ampa abusua no wo kakraka amamfo bit ma criticize no obi a bit ma bo or the Shibrantia or Himana Yinu Kwadu. Se Kwadu Nambobono. Your category Nipano or Folia se or Tomra or and no it's me no agency Emma or Hima or Pekino. It's us some. Na say only for Nina Hodia and you know to me so Emma it need to issue up at them Emma Nibidini. What it means is say Abushabia and I can crubia Kunya woman. The Otia Kuyan is on a penny pie, and any business on a bear penny pie fee. And no, we offer, we are wine, in any business. Ukochana, Ukaha, and Toma, Wabu Moasia, and I just say, Okotana, Unanamu, Egasu. In Jenanamu Titiama Necra, just said any boo any dear Sefata, Emano. In Yakunya Biake, say Akunya, Ea Didi Ufi. Insanity. No, a man on a selective of Madishia, Omnim, the almost a fata, Mopese, or Frosa, a gano. Inti, in Chimuka, we remember say, to me a mao, and it don't to many. Sanity.
Na eno no nyese bia metwe wano wofo mo onye sure say sanse ye we no bedu babiri na bia ye wo de osefata se de Asantehene ka senka akosa enso dibie yeye osefata na enso hema se onua ba ma no opena obi antimi sesa no onye sure say that trend no ekuro benya obi anka odi kuro no so anka be ye pa nimdie mu amane na mamre mu enso so hema se mepeminua eno no onye sure say ebema tembi sa tumi no ene sa hyehyɛ we no mama hemafo na afa omunua no da bia
Yo, Opany Charles, they also show me say, a cast will be your Hema, a chest or your dish. Or no, Nimia people, or no, see a dish brandy. So where the Shibrantia dia, and not to me know him and some dia, the open with you soon. It doesn't matter. So when you're the share dia, and no now born the queries any pan on your dish. As I would you to so him or him and anemia, on a near buja. Nature say, what you form an atom queen. But I say, who can simply say a cobanis? I be him and be in me and Tessa, and say, Mampong issue no for instance. Sampa, Professor Kusamone in the baby or almost so qualified, equally as Nipa ya choosing. Name Mohimane would to me say, choose the opposite wood. Aconano, 7 any bench, and Yakasama Tanafana. What I say, a Kunyaba occupies a Senipa Bacope, and a Tanas, a Mem Kunya. Na Mem Kunyano. Bakonipa kopena esese busuan ye yini mane tenaso nti ohimane de woni nim kuta hudie ene be mana chusu so ye de hia it doesn't matter say woni mama mreche ubia ompewa any choice any right na they also woni say empani nso obi di ma obi kire nya de akonwa no ye bo udi say woni pese udi a ye do fantitiim ti de woni bia mpanyi wo ho mpanyi sabu bibi say opanyi wo ansa na ye wo hene so ati ase na ye kura atete no ahenie tete no ye mfa man kokura ye ntia mpanifo ye ne sa ne se abribia wo so hene unya futufo no se ye obi a na ne afisini wa onim mpaninsem inima bakosem chen ye rekomo panyi a ye na panyi no ne futu na ye dene ntimi ngai fred panyi na wontunifu ye de ma ode Shibrantia o qualifier ena osefata se echia itimi bona beti eno no mumu no eye adwuma ntem so be papa panyi bia ohunu hu se wanyini na babia wanyini do no o Ambrantie na obetunifu afi o yamfom so a bona odi krumu ni nyina na abusia ni nyina akọ inimguasim eno ntini de ma Ambrantie na ya tete no mamre eni nimdie ene kwambebe so menka senyansem nyansa de unim nyansa yemfa akonwa ma ye tiwo nimdie amane ene hyehyeye bibebe mu na wabeye ohempon a unim hyehyeye ene ntino history no near fine he go kind the history of Asante the first Asante King they Otumfuo Osei Tutu II the first so what you say according to 24 years no a young man no ya Shibrantia no usa eso so no and I'm saying no osefata no yet no call he needed here unkunkuru my be so in kanisa ema niko kwan ofa so obeye ne no mafa into we nyina dia dance said yamfa ahini ma obi ani mfi ekona ni ma proso ni be renzu so munyini a most times we kwan we nyina obenya dementia wona ne kan sembia omukom kokoso asempe ezo ni panzo so yetufu na unti ana yintimi ntufu a ni padu pempeso na opa futu mu a ya na enimguase ntampa hoda intimidate me say the Mampong ye no ne kwan so no service so mo ko adu bia o mo ye abusu mo so ye abusuafo mo qualify so mo ko adu nemu wo ko adu a yesu ginam yigina so edi efa adwena na se yigina so take decision yi
mate ye de nsa ato abrewadu anim abrewatu ye aduanim de na ye ni preko ye ka asante asem na se nansen se woni di nsem ekoso social media chia say ye can the unseen powers of coins and answer ahema for any the influence entinanka ehimfo ne bi enyo mo Asante nko mo eastern ne western ne other places kase enke betumi a kema ahema kwan no nkom so emra regional house of chiefs any national house of chiefs and so yeru Asante his there be wenye yamamre wenye Asante amamre ohema de oprema beti ohema ka asem gumasum na nye by force was a chenchena me ko meeting regional house of chiefs and I say national house of chiefs I was a me di machi sanse sey no enye amane and I say amamre a was ye so ye den sato abrowadu num we Asante asem sanse me odwuna ho sei
panyi dware wi ananka ensuasa ana meboa
sa pepepe
emsa asema abusami opemso am achichiri mutrodo ama badwemba bia oya akani ehun se ode nokra rat ba bia da opemso kase wi a asem na twa one efe ne kan twa yomni se enya amane enya amamre yekofa free da ben na yekohwehwe yekofa ama abahima mu mokotena epunti no makodwene about time to ne for them about time to ne for abonten about time bo ne ba beti no de tumi amana no agina ne chi se ba tampa so ati ase na waye de sefata na nya bonten na yakofra ahema am se omometena bedwa pono mu na omfo madwen kyerembra so yesa na enya amamre enya sa na yamane ni hyetie enti so opemso kana ye no ne kwan so se wono de oye nipa stronko mamenka ne sa se tunya mekasi sanse edinyansa ne nimdi adom no enti no okasa se de okaye no badwembe bia agedi otano ene beka se de okaye no wankasa yi nipa so de we den awo atamfo enti no opemso akasa enti ho no menkasa bebebe mfa
na mehwe transitioning so wo hwe entoma ene chawa na himfo yishi ya tete ne ho it's been modified into transitioning in modification ebeko so akan ho se nipa ntina na ma ebi mususu se nka ba bi edre de nka ja ohene me from ntoma na nka mehema susu de machi nka be ba meko bia no kono so kam ho nka efefefe but wakasa achiri muma Matias said o kan no opem so achiri muma wa wuti ni bia no o se wote ase na ohena kasa biem o se national house of chiefs to me no encheni to me no bi akofa krata bi anase mra bi entiase bi anima ba se by force oni so one de obekoso abona mamre ne na mane ho ban de obeto ye no se we ne Asante sese no eno na obekuram eno na odwene ho sei
said the Wakano. Nadia, Adriania or to see Sumami Buchiasu, and you what you are dear. And Penny said Adriania, one metro, Mammy Buchiasu, and what you are dear. Service of opium so timpenite, and Tadia be a wee be on an ammo, I have to honor or Babetwas. Or any baby dear, also of Famo, a sound try, and a moment to your baby at was. As a son, it's Yadia, Adia, or Mamma to Wametu, Okafabishim, Amanai. Oka bibi se chachaone entumefra ifrititi wo enya buru na dibre yi wo ena na mo hye ena na mo way of dressing ena ya modify no enya sa afi ne yakosua free kosi bruni wo da bi kosi bruni wo a enka mo kesi enka mo so ni madoko entuma ni we die ifrititi chachao di ifrititi ena ifrata chaone ntei
na say you will change wo ho nyese biya ma etwe won wo from ohene therefore you will change wo ho change is constant to na bi nim say biya ye kɔ ye nim enka no ma ba ko ni minu bi de ye den sakra kakra bebam sana mebusa
change bebrebe ba aman unsa ye wa amamre ene wa amane so atiase amamre no yetimi esisa kakra wa amamre mu na amane de yenze sa hwewum ene yenchenyi hwewum so atiase
Matias
amane de yenza hwewum ene yenchenyi hwewum enti we as enye akan amane no amane is different na amane no opem so aka say obi a woni de obi ani kuru friso na Asantehemaa Asantehemaa ade yamamre ene amane nkyere sa esanse okọ ntu bedwam oti ase sei akọ ntu bedwam na okofa oba panyi so metena dwum emechena dwen na akola bia onu no abeka se etia no se sei dabi emema de ye na etutu a etwene yebo enyema intino ipeba de den kra na etimi ema ye ho so na okofa na panyi na akola bi ane na kra bi kwa no mbu no ka setia na unse be ye ya
Matias no hene so kasana no okon Sampa sembi last time video bi ehunu social media say as a Bono region Bono regional minister no or meddle in the affairs of Sampa issues no and as a Sampa chieftaincy no BBNC Ukraine no the paper concurrent say BB wo ho and they need security attention as a or meddle because he was once a lawyer to the other party na manshia aina ntum no sa party ne lawyer ne nipa ne wabeja Bono regional minister enti na opem so ka se nipa bi sa no de na otimi sa twere krata konkran se aban ma na ninko Sampa ho na basabasa ekoso Sampa wa bra bibie ne ho sa Sampa nsensem onye sure se eyache na politics no abamu too much
ache na chache ni nyina everyday free se bi na wo ka no se obiti ni krum na wo ukobon ukoye ho report se krum ho nyo na obi hye ase na omudi etu ni sponsor ese ni pa kron se Otumfuo Osei Tutu regional minister no si echi ni tum na Sampa so na esa so ko jail ko bi na de hye obi abetindu akoko court uti na mchakase krum de no ma dia bro say am pass on the chance esa obetindu akoko court because fuel violence no cause death in a family of one or more intino senipa no and say otenefi na odidi ampo hold the public office I the taxpayers money in the triawoka enye wo sika wo sa ankofo na wo perpetrate violence against them no ayi wo sika sa de triawoka ni kwa sa otena office kra na wo feel proud say we a minister and therefore regional minister to be precise. Intimidating what is in there, but it lies in the power of the president. So between one so into one saying in idea ni shadi yako. Now one day, I could do baby Ghana military can be no intimi answer no. Because if patients wait for too long. Why and why and why. We don't want to get there, but gradually, no. And people shouldn't underestimate, say, Ghana, Asantes, no. They are the highly dominated people. You can never undermine them in any aspect of life. We are so competent and fit and deemed to do everything. Particular people now who Jesus Sampa, whoever is in charge, Asantehene, that's how I see say Asantehene highly civilized. Because if anybody be more fast on matters, now omudi Asantes are different people, very different. And sometimes you leave it to go because we are far above that. No. Some matters are very childish and it doesn't worth the Asante's time to retaliate or respond. But one day, they will get equally response. Maybe they may not be able to, stand in front of common retaliation.
Yeah. Like I said, traditional authority isn't always location bound. Because ebi mu hune say ase baby a sample we die either na be Asantehene dia, but when it comes to amamre and amane na eba amamre na amane na ontimi nka say Sampa enye Asantehene dia enti na ode na no tum say obi ntimi ntina Bono say we regional minister enye de ope because his traditional authority is within that place when it comes to encrypted kwatwoma nchira ne teacher ne fiapre ne Sampa keke ni nyina ya sante ho anase nkura kasekadwa ho sana na ohene pese wo kire opanyini yeah nigga say about traditional authority there obintimi nka say Asantehene ensa koduru ha one nanim ba bi sekadwa koduru ena so wantena ho nya nhweha ma obi mfa ne minister sem enye de opa wo sa Bono region ho sana na tie
say Asantehene biriba ye kan nyina no jaja so ha enye ono Asantehene ena obi titia ifa ahudi so ne mu ne na mo Sampa ene Bono man be part of a Bono including biribe so ena wo hu say nipa bi take advantage. They are trying to take advantages over those people. And I know you overload no. On your high. I think say any other leader will not be silenced. Or who say we pursue cheating and another move with this one. Obey high. And Okasa na Odika. Nemo regional minister Asama okay. Regional minister Asama okay. Said the Abaya Obi Enko Chantro. So Mampong Mahama, ya the 2 yama and fee naipe. In fee 92 when you're gonna penny beam, Wabaya ex-president said I say Mampong Kufuado. I know Mampong Kufu, a continent chain. Na continent chain, the Obey say. A continent chain, the Obey say, good to forget, but who make you final decisions, PR. And Mampong Mahama, as it stands now, on the leader in terms of administrative and political purpose. Now, something we are traditional leaders. And Sassenene in the panel who belongs to them. They are great. Say, Omubeko democracy in idea man and a leader in terms of administrative. He doesn't impose anybody power over the traditional leaders. Then so no. And said the bear in I be the boonie and idi. Ebema yahu. Na you see an idea and Yakotua Bania leader. But that doesn't take the authoritative powers of any traditional leaders away. No. But for traditional leaders, in the traditional leaders, your categories. Ibimu, amunyina him for bet ibimu is subjected to be. No Asantehene there, or your overlord of Asantehemaa, or your supremacy and supreme of a king. Ghana hani subiniha. Bini baby, I want him be with your respect to very highly, but Asantehene that or down soon. Or extremely different. Very, very different. And before so we be in another class, now some dika. Anyasa on Kasaka Basa. Nasa young man, regional minister, also a very, very careful. Asantehene waka, ye waya won. Na oma wetete omo fa ho di so many penny bi. Ahwere omo nkwa na omo perpetrating violence. They can never go scot free. And it also the same because crime has no expiring date. And you're very, very, very careful.
Sumahene kasa. Sumahene say, and I'm say the minister of Bono enya the burden of Asantehene na okasa. This is Sumahene. Krobi wo Dormaahene wo efro Sumahene kro. Ohena from otoso military.
Ohena from Sumahene no. Ona kasa kro no di Sumahene. Odnam kro mu a oye plan so fe no Ohene. Sa Ohene kro no. On pie no tuka amfa ne kro mu. On nanti kro mu sa sumo sa infa won. Na who say does he qualified to be called the chief?
Also,
talkless of him.
Ne kasa mu no sa me misquote na. Also onyehufo. Obi kan bona asem nko ade obepem na onyehufo.
Onyehufo Sumahene no. Se onyehufo so onyehufo no. Ya de yesi asem na ye kan obi a onyehufo ne onyehufo asem na. Na on was onyehufo no Sampa fo ndo onyehufo meboa.
Obusa Sampa.
It's not about one onyehufo and one onyehufo. That's not the matter. The matter go beyond onyehufo because somebody has lost his life.
Yeah. And the whole thing comes back to say Asantehene ye overlord of Sampa. And to say Sampa could be Bono.
Overlord of Asantehemaa, Sampa they say. Or ye overlord of Asantehemaa, which Sampa is included.
Okay.
So what you say? Jabodom ka ho, Sekwa ka ho, Sampa ka ho. Bechem ka ho. And you can name them, baby. And you see, what people don't want to hear is the fact. Any person better no credit. But the truth is truth. So the truth is truth. You can never do anything away with the truth. Because the truth speaks louder. Asantehene enye ote sebi Asantehemaa ana kumasi na odbi wana no ka asemu. Eyade ananam aye ho dwuma fritete. Inti se wona namo ehihye mu no munyansa no munim die mu. Omo se de yeso Asante a ewa ase. So obi ba ne na oseme de me nsoma Asante a due to ABCDZ a ono so say se abusuafo ne kuruma no tenase a tete no enka woni za tumi no ene no we have freedom of association. You can choose to do this or you can choose to do that. Nemo ahinsemu no where you belongs to no. Any matter of choice, a matter of principle and fact. This a we yes na una nama obetina makunya so no obu omanintia rather. Enye Asantehene ono opebi papa man in mind. And na ubenya sa osom Sante. Obanyi mimitia sisi ye young man. Ema kuma so ade akura se me. One day Asantehene be free me. Se me mesun na metime free me fi akwakosom. O mama position bi in term in administrative anani ne chieftaincy rule no o be kitu bi na masom. I'll be very proud because ebesha me ni mebusu ani munyam. So what you say we are see there we shouldn't tradition measures na say Asantehene na obia ebo no chidom na ye try say odi Asantehemaa no nyi kumasimayo Asantehemaa no bekwa akiri no o pepa o trimu papa o adwempa na usuye pa so ati ase na odi ma ne nanamo e ka no nko anka ba bi Yankopon odi na duri into bit magase wodru naso so no ekwesa na oyaye seminkumia esa na oye selfish oso dwene na because impa bebre ho mo kasa ne kura asisuma ho kura no ebia em friend say omo toilet we ni ko bi we see di ma omo obetuma ye bi so jeje kroma ni sika and these people have the guts to speak when the king speaks. They also sit aside no agem bi dia bi no afri ni ba ko mi bi no so akasa se le ya biso akasa ye betene now you tell ni a wonu su Sumahene na sanwan no ono bi nipa bi cross bi nipa bi so de leka openu kra ache no Sumahene bi nipa bi so de leka
ene dia me no ye nim nsam pinto de yamfa na ntonche na yam focus on the subject
me na meka nti no enye de minim na meka de minim
like I said ohene de ka o
no yeso yo bi die
ene yesa kunya no mbeto
ese first no ya abortion okromo na ade bi ato na obenya bi edi na wakasa odi Dormaahene chiti Dormaahene beka bia no onso be se okasa ne yete ne voice say Sumahene bi so kasa okasi enu ntia don de yemfa na sem ntonche onye relevant
ohene de ka dia ne be 5 year o mo da yi beto so adomo beto stool no so aton e wo bono don komi
onye relevant yeah no tafohene kura oye Asantehene ebrempo no kura no Sumahene akonya enu tafohene kota kura na watena wode ne ho aye tuto ayampia se make sa me atime nso mene enkoshi enfashi
yo ohene nti say mate ohene is na wo Ghana is okoturu Ghana na to say before
Ghana ye bedi bronya nti na matension abakuru mu akakra
na ewiom to say enoma boy say
okay so adeto akofom sikasem hye na akofom kakra I don't know normally nke bedi bronya nka be activities will be influently around but sikasem me say me promenoma bet adeto akofom to be honest me ye say me NDC member to make us based on any political affiliate but make us based on facts.
Because you're a comrade.
Of course. I've been in this man since 1992.
Oh, great.
And I'm a media message. I'm a full supporter. But recently, no, and normal and go the way it's supposed to be. And I need to be factual. Which are throw situation here now live in Nanya. There's a me the kind of nipa away. Yes, no party now. You know, see a kind of crane. Then you pay any buy also. Na see baby be a anything. Sanity.
Let's say media me no make kind be woman something as well. Like is inflation form. Policy rate above form and many things.
Inflation above form na a chrono, a common and sikasem. We say the reason dollar above form na inflation above form because people don't have the money to go for the dollar to buy dollar. The better na cost. Demand will $1 na cost. Demand be anyhow. So what you say? Be any pen demanding. You can have it in abundance. Sanity.
Apanyina na okoduru ye no menim say o man biam so be nyankoswo pa na efiri edom kuma no, that is the minority and that's the opposition party no. Papa Kennedy ne Bawumia nsensem no say wo koye mu say e mo den sa na say just social media na na amanfo de wo nsem no.
Na Kennedy Agyapong any Dr. Bawumia race no aye internal contest. So what you say? A party chise and omu nyina omu de ye adwuma. Enka nsesenka ekodu ba bi akudu neso so no. Enipa ni bi wo amanyuku ni mienu nyina mu a omu menyini so omu ye a proper and a matured politicians though they have found themselves to be a party members. And you omu say you be omu timi ye. And you know we to money we na ensema ensem fata na omo ka kire omo etimi de me pese me can be too honest obi abusuasem na obi
Matias obi abusuasem nti pese obeka be pi apanyele we de na wo do anu si amaye ne de na wo beka kire Asantehemaa na no ya kwesi de atwa to afie besemen de na ogidi se awo se oye Asantehene oye
mede ma no si die e me kan se me che watifo ne adofo nyina Ghana da so tiase Asantehemaa tiase opem so onkwa so Yankopon gosuma ne nyansa na kokodo ne yokodo honhom no nyas onfa Asantehemaa nkodu baabi a na na mo hye ne so onfa nkodu ina wase
yo panyina me so me da wase pe da se na no ye besa ba on chen na se ye nti bibia se a ye besa
mate yo